Welcome back to Expert Crypto. We're going to be going over some stuff in this episode. I really want this channel to be motivational. All right, I want you guys to have a new perspective on learning and also understanding crypto. This will make you successful in the future. This is just a reminder that we're all early. This is just the start. I promise. Okay. If you guys stick with crypto, if you guys really learn and you really get the understanding and the grasp of crypto, you guys work on this every day or just a couple hours, maybe a week even, next 5 to 10 years, I promise you, you will be financially free with the right investments, with the right strategy, and the overall mindset. So my main goal on this channel really is to create the strongest crypto community where I'm able to educate you guys and also go over great projects, and we're going to work together as a community. So with that being said, we really want to get the right strategies around research, and this is how I found a lot of these undervalued cryptos. And I really want to do something special. I want to show you guys what to do during research. We're going to be doing 2 episodes every single week where I'll do long streams. I'll do like a 5-hour stream where we're just going through gems. We're just going through trying to find the next crypto that's going to be pulling off around the 50 to 100x, maybe 10x even, maybe a 20, 30, 40, 50x, and we're just going to be researching together, and I'm going to be showing you guys some stuff along the way. So every Wednesday and Saturday, look forward to that. It'll be around 5 to 8 hour streams, possibly. So I'm going to teach you guys how to really get a grasp of how to research correctly. So we will be doing that, okay? Even if 300 to 400 of you guys participate in that, we could really do something special as a community if we work together. And this hasn't been done on YouTube. This hasn't been done overall. I just want to help you guys, all right? I want to help you guys because if we all work together, we really can create something special. With that being said, let's get into it, guys. So we saw trias. We really saw trias pull down a little bit. From this level that we saw around $29, had a little drop down, and look at the patterns that we're seeing with trias. We're seeing run up, we're seeing consolidation, we're seeing run up, we're seeing consolidation, we're seeing run up, we're seeing consolidation. These are just people taking profits, guys. Look at the profit taking going on. Profit taking, and we're just seeing this volume get larger and larger, and we're just seeing this run up more and more. As you guys can see, literally, look at this pattern, guys. We see 2 green candles, red, 1 green candle, red, 2 green candles, red, 2 green candles, red, 2 green candles, red. That is honestly insane, and we even saw it back here, guys. We even saw it back here. That's an insane pattern. We could really tell that this has some more momentum. I do see maybe a larger sell-off coming off in the short term, but we really could be pushing. Really could be pushing that 100x level within the next week if really trias takes off. They don't have too many major coin listings too, so I really want to let you guys know that half the supply will be burnt as well. Not a lot of people know that about trias, but half their token supply is going to be burnt eventually. So we're going to see, I believe, in the next 6 months they're going to be doing that. So that is going to be big. That's going to be big, guys. With half their token supply being burned, you have to understand that's going to increase the price by half. With this being so big already, we have really no major exchange listings as well. That might take 6 months. Honestly, that could take 6 to 8 months. It just matters exactly what we're going to see with their team. Is their team really going to want to push them out there? Do they want to hype up the price a lot? If they don't, we've seen this with a lot of other cryptos. They don't care what exchange listings they're on. They want to work on their product. So I'm not gonna say that they're gonna be on a major exchange, but probably will happen in 6 to 8 months, like we see with a lot of these small caps that get up in price with attention, right? So there's a lot more news to come out with them as well. But I've been telling you guys to take your profits. You guys have to be taking profits to be the most successful in crypto. If you guys want to hold this long term, you can't. But with my strategy, what I do is I'm trading, and you guys that are holding long term, go ahead and hold trias long term. If you guys are not going to be doing this as often, just hold them long term. But really, if you guys are trying to maximize your profits in crypto, you have to be taking gains. So I've spoken to trias as well, guys. I've been speaking to them. I actually spoke to them before this video. This is how I'm really gaining a lot of this information. And great team. They were very open. If I ever talk to a company that we've been talking about, I don't want to do interviews. I feel like interviews are very boring, and they're very like, you guys, like, I could just summarize what they told me. Okay, we don't need to waste 20 minutes listen to some guy speak. It's kind of awkward too, so not going to be doing that. Maybe in the future. Kidding. Never doing interviews with those people on camera, just off camera. So, what do we see with the market today? Tomorrow is a catalyst day. Tomorrow's a catalyst day, okay? What does that mean? Tomorrow's really going to decide the fate for the market throughout the week, or, I don't know, not for throughout the week, but it's just going to be a catalyst day. We're going to see a lot of these FOMOers in Ethereum, guys. Ethereum's almost at 4K, all right? What a great time we live in right now. Ethereum's outperforming Bitcoin by 130% as of right now. Yeah, 138% right now, actually. So over the past month. That's absolutely insane. That's absolutely insane. And what we're going to see is this trend continue. We're going to see this trend continue, but we do see Bitcoin picking up some steam. Bitcoin's definitely going to be hitting 62, 63K next week. Without a doubt, in my opinion, that's what the charts are showing. We'll get into that in a second. But Ethereum, this is what we mainly care about. Yes, we care about Bitcoin because it's going to affect our Ethereum. But we care about Ethereum more, or at least I do, because I am following these L2 projects through Ethereum that are very, very price oriented around Ethereum's price. If Ethereum pumps, these L2 projects pump. If Ethereum falls, these F2 or L2 projects fall. So let's get into the charts. This is how the market correlates, by the way. I just want to give you guys a very, very easy explanation of that. So, but this is crazy, right? You guys see this little pattern with the volume, right? You guys see these candlesticks? Yeah, it's pretty crazy with trias, guys. It's pretty crazy with trias. Let's look at the Bitcoin dominance actually first. We're at 45, not bad. We're going to be hitting 44 next week for sure. All right, so we hit my support level on Bitcoin exactly as predicted. Always exactly as predicted with Bitcoin for the most part. Bitcoin is pretty easy to predict with the support and resistance levels, just because of the market cap with Bitcoin. But sometimes Bitcoin can be very, very unpredictable, guys. It could be very, very unpredictable. Let me go to 1 day. But we see this momentum building up, guys. We do see momentum shuffling into Bitcoin, and that's a great thing to see. And what I see happening is I see this momentum lasting 3 to 4 days with Bitcoin. And we haven't had only, I guess you could say, 3 bars of momentum on this momentum sheet ever. Okay, on the 1 day chart, we've never just only had 3 bars of momentum. So my guess is we're going to be seeing that 62 Bitcoin. This is where I'm getting this from. I'm not just pulling a hat, or I'm not just pulling the number out of a hat, guys. I will never do that on this channel. But like I said, 62 Bitcoin or 62K Bitcoin is probably going to happen. I would say over 60K, 100%. What does that mean? We're going to see these alts take off next week. So we really got to be prepared for that. We had some great trades today. We had some stellar trades today. And I'm going to be going over those after I go over Ethereum. All right. But like I said, look at this, guys. Look at this momentum that we're starting to build up with Bitcoin. I really do see a large run-up is coming, guys. A large run-up is coming with Bitcoin. If it doesn't, then this is the event that hasn't happened every single time we've had the momentum. That's just a very weird occasion, but that would be the statistics behind it. It's a 95%, 97% chance of that happening. Even when we go all the way back here, guys, we really don't see less than 3 bars. So we've only seen it like once or twice, by the way, in the past like it was 3.5 years. Yes. So what are we looking at right now? I'm going to go over the top 24-hour gainers. I'll talk about the ones that we own, and I'll talk about some of the ones that we don't own as well and where I see them going. So Telcoin. Guys, look at this. Look at this. Exactly as predicted, right? We said Telcoin was going to break through that 5-cent level today. What happened? 36% run up. How do I know stuff's going to run up 36%? It broke the resistance level. Telcoin's extremely undervalued. We saw the volume was there. We saw the resistance level was broken, and we said FOMO, and then we threw some money into Telcoin. I'm kidding about the FOMO, guys. We don't FOMO on this channel. We only do stuff emotionless and very calculated. Okay, do never FOMO. Do never FOMO apes. Okay, I'll teach you guys technical analysis, when to buy. You guys really need to be using technical analysis when you buy. Never buy on a gut feeling. Never buy on a gut feeling. We're always going to be buying on this channel with technical analysis. So Litecoin as well. We own some Litecoin, we own some FTM, and we own some Manic. We do not own any HT. We already did a trade on HT. It already cashed out. That was a week ago, not this week. But I do see HT, in my opinion, probably reaching around the $40 mark within the next week, especially with this Bitcoin run up that we're gonna see Monday. Definitely see that happening. OKB, by the way, OKB layer 2, guys. This is a layer 2 Ethereum type of platform, right? So I do see this one running up as well with Ethereum's run up, right? And we're gonna see this one, in my opinion, probably go to around $50 within the next week. I do see that as a very easy, plausible price target for OKB. They are down 11% in the past 7 days, and you take into account Ethereum's run up. You take into account that they're extremely undervalued. You guys probably we'll look at the charts on that, but yeah, very, very undervalued on OKB. LSK, I'm not the biggest fan of LSK like most people are, but they do have great smart contracts, guys. But I did invest in them 2018. I kind of lost some money with them, so I might have some emotions attached. I'm completely sorry, guys. But no, nevertheless, right, we are going to probably get into Lisk when this next dip happens with them. I do see that maybe happening within the next few days. They are showing some slow volume right now, actually on the 30-minute chart, but we'll need to see. I'll let you guys know in the morning. I am looking at them actively. I have them up. I have all of these up that we're actually going over right now. So we do love RSR as well, guys. We love RSR. We have ADA as well. We like Chainlink up there. But DCR, I'm not the biggest fan of DCR, but we'll talk about them at some point in this video. But we do have most of these top gainers, guys. Most of these top gainers in the past 24 hours. Somewhat in our trades that we went over in the past couple days. So that's a great thing to see, and we have been seeing that quite often. So did we go over ETH yet? Let me go into Ethereum's little charts, and then we'll go over into those other ones. Not too much in the news today, which leads me to believe we're going to see a bullish Bitcoin tomorrow. The charts are really showing bullish Bitcoin, guys. Let me just show you that one more time. Look at this support, guys. We're seeing higher highs, meaning that we're seeing a lot of people ask, what are higher highs? Higher highs mean you see how we have this lower low right here and this lower high. We finally were able to break upwards from this downtrend, right? This is a downtrend when you see lower lows, lower lows, lower lows. We broke out of this downtrend, and now are we seeing higher highs? Higher highs. This is a lower high, right? But this is a higher low, meaning that this low was higher than the one that we saw before. And what we're going to see right now is this uptrend continue, right? We do have a little dip right here, but I do see this trend at least being, here, let me get the percent out. I do see us repeating this trend that we had back here. Let me see. So around a 7% increase in Bitcoin is really what I'm guesstimating. That's not a fully researched out guess, but that's really what I can see happening tomorrow. 7% run tomorrow with Bitcoin, and if not tomorrow, over the next few days. So that's a pretty sizable chunk of Bitcoin, right? We're going to see 70K or 60K Bitcoin for sure. All right. Let me get into Ethereum as well, because we'll get into Ethereum. We'll get into some more of what's looking bullish tomorrow. I can never find Ethereum, guys. I can never find Ethereum. Here we go. So, we're right back at this support level, guys. We might see 4K Ethereum on stream. If we see that on stream, it's going to be a little time to celebrate. But we do have this massive support level right here that we've been bouncing off of. If we break this, resistance. Okay, resistance is above, support's below. Sorry, guys, getting a little tired tonight, but we're gonna get some good sleep tonight, and we're gonna wake up tomorrow and we're gonna absolutely kill it in the market. But right now, we're preparing for that. We got in some trades today. We're gonna get in some trades tonight. because I'm so bullish on the market. Yes, I'm extremely, extremely bullish on the market right now. If we go to Ethereum's 1 day, guys, if we go to Ethereum's 1 day, look at this takeoff that we've had. Nothing is really pointing towards any consolidation. Let me scroll down. What we see from an outside perspective when we're looking at Ethereum, we see this consolidation, right? This is a little consolidation with Ethereum that we've had. Let me zoom into this. All right, so we see this consolidation happening, but I do see this re-emerging Monday, guys. Because if you guys look back, we see low volume, guys. We see low volume on Sundays. We don't see too much movement. But the fact that we're seeing upwards movement on a Sunday leads me to believe Monday is going to be very good. A lot of people see this trend with Bitcoin. A lot of people know Bitcoin's going to be bullish tomorrow, or they have a very good feeling with Bitcoin being bullish. Around a 95 to 97% chance for Bitcoin being bullish. So why wouldn't Ethereum be taken off on a Sunday? That's a very good question. So I do see people doing that, so that's why I'm very, very bullish on the entire market as well. Once Ethereum goes over 4K, guys, it's going to be time to celebrate. 4K Ethereum, that's crazy. It's crazy. So let's get into exactly what we're trying to accomplish tonight to prepare for tomorrow. We really want to be able to get some of these trades in and really look at the market from a long-term as well perspective. What are we looking for, guys? What are we looking for? So when I look at these graphs, I'm trying to correlate them to exactly what is this one specifically doing against Ethereum or Bitcoin, because that's the main catalyst with especially ADA, guys. With especially ADA. Let me go to ETH USD. I believe it's down here. Here now ADA. Whoops. So you guys have to be comparing. These charts together. So guys, look at this. Look at this comparison when you guys compare ADA with Ethereum. What do you guys notice? What do you guys notice? Any similarities with this chart? I would say so. Okay, I would say so. ADA's very market oriented when it runs up in price. So why aren't we going to see ADA hit that $2 level? I believe in the next 2 or 3 days. All right, this is why I'm so bullish on ADA. The market's bullish, and look how ADA follows the market, guys. It's absolutely crazy how orientated ADA is when you guys look at it from a long-term perspective, right? It's pretty cool. Pretty cool to see that. It's something you guys always have to be looking for, and I'm just going to compare everything that I'm somewhat bullish on and tell you guys why. Okay, so Anchor, we're in a consolidation period with Anchor, and we're gonna see this one break out within the next few days. Okay, especially with Bitcoin and Ethereum being bullish. I do see Anchor probably running up around 20 to 30% at least, guys. At least we've been in this consolidation phase for quite a while. And let me put in some indicators. All right, there we go. Now I can easily read it. So it is showing a little bit momentum. Let me go to the 1 day. What is on the 1 day? Whoops. Let me go on the 4 hour real quick. Yes, but no, actually, let me go on the 1 day and show you guys how this correlates, right? So look at the momentum that we're seeing with Anchor compared to Ethereum, guys. We're seeing it compare, right? And we are going to see Anchor run up in price. Anchor protocol is extremely undervalued, guys. Extremely undervalued as of where it's at right now. I've been bullish on this one for a while. I haven't put in the trade for this one. I've been looking at it for the past couple days, or the past week. But I'm going to be putting in a trade into them most likely once they hit around this 15 level. Here, let me highlight that for you guys. Right around the 14 to 15 level. Once it drops to there, I'm definitely going to be opening up a position for them. And what I'm trying to reach with them, okay? What I'm trying to reach with them. Let me go here. What I'm trying to reach with them, probably going to be taking some profits around 20. Around 20 from there, and probably around 24. I'm not going to get too greedy with these trades, guys. You take your profits when you get them. We're not going for 2x's all the time, okay? Especially with these trades. When you guys get 20, when you guys get 30%, I always take a small part of my trade and then take profits along the way. You guys don't need to chase money. When you chase money, especially in crypto, you will get killed by volatility. You can get killed by volatility, and that's where you're really going to take some losses. But I am bullish on Anchor, guys. And it does follow Ethereum quite closely, but we're going to see that breakout. We're going to see that breakout when Ethereum breaks out as well. I do see this Ethereum breakout. This is why I follow Bitcoin and Ethereum so closely, because it correlates with the entire market. The entire market is very correlated with them. At least most of it is. Most of it is. Okay, guys, can we just look at BNB's momentum, guys? Look at this momentum that we've had. We've had only upwards momentum with BNB over the past. When is this? Since really the beginning of April, guys. Look at this momentum that we've seen with BNB. Absolutely crazy, guys. Absolutely crazy. BNB under $1,000. Undervalued, without a doubt. Undervalued, without a doubt. We do not see BNB being under $1,000. Probably going to have that happen within the next week or two. But, all right. But this is the catalyst right here, okay? This is the catalyst right here with BNB. When Ethereum breaks out, when Bitcoin breaks out, guys, we're gonna see Ethereum BNB absolutely going to tear. Look how much higher their momentum is than Ethereum. I've been looking at this pretty closely, okay? Whenever we have a breakout with Ethereum, we normally see BNB absolutely dominate whatever Ethereum's doing. So I do see around 2x more momentum through BNB than, let's say, comparing it to Ethereum. So I do see us being able to break this hard support that we have. We did build actually a new support. Sorry about that, guys. The new support right now is around $681. Once we break that and we get into the next zone is going to be around 800 to 750, and then it's just going to keep on going up by 150 intervals. That's really what we've been seeing. As you guys can see here, here's 100. Here's 50, but 50, and then we do have a few other ones down here that this indicator did not grab up, but it's okay. It's okay. I would say 50 and then 100 intervals with Binance is very, very normal. And I do see this breaking within the next week or two. Definitely that 800 and 900 level. And we're going to see the $1,000 level come very quickly. Before you guys know it, I'm just being very generous or very conservative with BNB. But $1,000 BNB is going to happen, guys. All right, let's go into cake now. Hopefully you guys are learning from this. Really take some time to learn on this piece. If you guys really understand how the market works, how it correlates with every single currency, you guys will be able to be extremely successful in the market. I would say around 90% of investors, 90% of retail investors at least, I would say around 40% of the money that's in the market is dumb money, meaning that not dumb money, unexperienced money, okay? We're not going to call anyone dumb on this channel, but it's just unexperienced. They're uneducated. They didn't get any education, and it's just the way it goes, you know? So what you guys have to be doing, comparing the market, right? What do we see with Cake? We see Cake going on a dip. It's consolidating right here. We see it differing from Ethereum. Why is that? Because Cake already had that pump up. We saw that price rise significantly with Cake, and we do have some sell targets for Cake. $45, $50, and or $55 are the sell targets for Cake. Do see that happening next week because we're going to be breaking out of this consolidation, guys. You see this upwards momentum that we're finally having with Cake after this dip. We hit this high low, right? We hit this high low, or I would say it's a lower low, or the bottom point of this run up that we're really going to have. And I really do see Cake hitting that 55 level, guys. At least 50. We're at least going to see a 50 Cake, in my opinion. Probably 55, guys. Probably 55. It says 52 on here, but I really do believe a 55 Cake is going to be happening within the next week or two. Ethereum just is going to keep on going up, guys, especially with all the news and all the adoption that it's been getting. And we're not talking about institutional adoption, okay? 1% of institutions own the crypto market, okay? That's a fact. 1% of institutions, guys. What's this institution adoption, okay? There is institution adoption, okay? But sorry about that. There is. We just need to make money off these institutions when they come. They will funnel in, but they're just waiting for a dip, or they're waiting for regulations to really FOMO in. That's my guess, guys, at least. All right, let me switch this back to ETH. I messed up here. Let me switch this to ETH just so you guys don't get confused. We're comparing ETH to ETH right now, so. These green ones are just the ones that I'm most bullish on, okay? These are the most bullish trades that I'm going to be covering. A few of them, I'm gonna tell you guys when, okay? I'm gonna tell you guys when I'm going to be entering these trades. You guys don't need to follow my trades. I'm just showing you around an 86% success rate with my trades, and I do multiple trades a day. That's I'm telling you guys that's a lot higher, but that's me not doing leverage. If I do leverage, it's probably going to be around 40 to 45%, but that's because you guys are risking a lot doing leverage. It just matters what your risk is. If you guys are not using leverage, don't use leverage if you guys are just starting out. I promise you. You guys need to learn. You guys need to really learn the fundamentals of the market before you get into that. I never advise leverage for newcomers. Never do it. Don't watch too much BitBoy or else you're going to get liquidated. So we have this support building up right here. You guys see how this kind of matches with this higher high over here. Once we break through that, I do see us breaking this higher high right here. We're kind of seeing a little pattern form with Dash, and you guys are seeing Telcoin. Okay, sorry about that. Little brain aneurysm right there. Sorry. We're seeing Telcoin break out. Dash is essentially the same industry, the same sector as Telcoin. And I really do see them catching up to Telcoin, guys. They're going to have a 30 to 40% breakout with Telcoin being extremely bullish right now. Telcoin just has a smaller market cap, but Dash essentially is in the same industry, guys, in the same industry. So we saw a little dot breakout, guys, exactly as predicted, right? These are the ones that we've been over. We saw the dot breakout. It's consolidating. We're going to see this next leg up. Maybe a little bit of a dip back down to 43, or I mean, not to 43, but probably to around low 40s, and we're going to be seeing around a $45 dot, in my opinion. We're going to be breaking this higher high right here. This is really what we need to see. Dot is extremely undervalued right now. But FTM, guys, this one was exactly as predicted also today. So we saw it break that support level, and it absolutely crushed it. Let me put it on the 4-hour chart real quick. FTM correlates with Ethereum very, very closely, by the way, guys. Very, very closely. This on the 4-hour. All right, so when we're comparing when we're comparing FTM, that's just a May 3rd. There we go. So when we're comparing FTM with Ethereum, as you guys can see, it correlates pretty similarly, right? But when we see this dip with Ethereum, we saw this dip with FTM, kind of the same size, guys. So we're kind of seeing the same trends with FTM, but it's just higher. It's just higher breakouts than what Ethereum is doing. Me being bullish on Ethereum is going to be me being bullish on all of these L2 coins, right? Like I said, on this channel, we're a little bit higher work ethic. We understand how the market fundamentally works. We understand that Ethereum is going to be bullish over the next week, and we understand that we can capitalize on this. All right, I'm trying to really get that point across for you guys. So what do I see with FTM? We're going to cash out around 115, or at least I am. Not financial advice, guys. I didn't get my degree, so I can say I'm financial advice. Yeah, guys, they're lost, guys. They're lost. All right. No offense to any financial advisors out there. But sorry, guys. Yeah, we have this 1.5 support level, or it's a little bit lower. It's around 94 support level. We need to see that breakout. Once it breaks out, we're gonna see ETH break out as well. Once ETH breaks out, we don't really care when FTM breaks out. We might see a breakout with FTM even if Ethereum doesn't break out. But we really need to make sure. That we have our take profits set up for FTM. You guys do not want to be greedy. Like I said, we're going to make our profits on FTM. We've already made around 300% off of FTM. I believe more, maybe 350% off of FTM. Very, very good gains so far. But this is just the beginning, guys. We're going to see another 100% run up with FTM, especially with Ethereum being bullish. FTM's so undervalued. No one really understands FTM like I do. I've been watching them ever since they really were created, guys. I love FTM. I love really the solutions they provide. A lot of people say they're forked code from HBAR. Guys, they're not. They're not. It's a little bit different. You guys can't just create two companies that are exactly identical. We saw that in 2017. All right, so I'm not going to talk about Holo. I'm going to wait on that one. We did already went over a trade on that one, I believe, last week, but don't really want to talk about Holo too much, at least right now. So we are seeing a little bit bullishness with INJ on the 4 hours. Believe we might have talked about that. Yeah. So what we're seeing with this INJ right now, right, is we're seeing it break out of this consolidation, right? We had this dip, we had this consolidation because we had this run up, right? How large was this run up, guys? Around a 30% run up. Saw a Saw a 40% consolidation. This is just over since the end of April. We saw 40% consolidation with INJ, or injection protocol. And my guess, we're probably going to be breaking higher highs. Why is that? They're a great company, guys. I don't know why they took such a hard stumble and tumble. And it doesn't really make too much sense to me why a lot of people were just selling these. There's probably a lot of leverage trading going on with them, or I'm not really sure what the clue was. I think people are just selling these altcoins like I am. Yeah, a lot of people are doing this, by the way. They're selling these altcoins very fast to pick up on these trades. They want to be able to make the next trade. They don't want to hold something that's consolidating. They want to hold something that's going to break out, right? And what a lot of people are doing during altcoin season, the smart people, they're doing this, right? They're not the smart people, but just the educated and the knowledgeable people. You guys don't need to be smart to do this. You guys just need to work hard. You guys need to learn. And I'm gonna help you guys learn a bunch, learn everything that you really can in crypto. Okay, but let me get to the point. So what we're looking at is how the market's working right now. We see altcoin season. Okay, we're in altcoin season. Don't let anyone else tell you. Okay, don't let anyone else tell you that we haven't been in altcoin season, because what we're seeing right now is we're seeing these great projects pick up momentum, sell off, and people are just trading in and out of them, making 40-50% off of multiple things. And we haven't seen this really since, actually we have seen this all the time, guys. We kind of had like 3 or 4 altcoin seasons already. Not gonna lie on that one, but yes, we are in an altcoin season right now until we have the next dip. And yeah, that's it. We're not going to see these 100% run-ups like we did the last 2017, and we have though. All right, I'm not going to compare them too much because we're in a different type of market. You guys really can't compare altcoin season of 2017 to 2021. Or yeah, we can't compare them. Different type of market cap, different type of market as well. Very easy to predict back then, just because there wasn't as much tools out, and now we have a lot more tools, a lot more educated and knowledgeable investors. So what do we see with KSM? Well, with KSM, I'm not gonna give the go ahead on this one. We bought this one on the dip. If you guys were here earlier, we're looking to sell around 475. We did hit that sell target again, but it's died down on the momentum, and we're really just looking to cash out again around 475. But they are very, very bullish, guys. If you guys are gonna hold KSM a while, I remember when KSM was at $1, guys. I remember when KSM was at $1 just around a year ago, guys. This was one of the most profitable buy and holds that I've had. In the matter of a year, 500x on KSM, guys. I love KSM to dear life, but they're a very slow mover right now. People don't understand them. So just because of that, right? No emotions, guys. No emotions. I do love them, but I'm going to be separating from KSM. Yes, I'm going to hold some probably long term, just because. No, I probably won't, guys, to be honest. But I just don't. It's hard to separate from something you love. But yeah, going to be selling the majority of mine around 475. So I'm just going to throw that out there for you guys. We did get around, I believe, 20%, 30%, but that was a long trade for altcoin season. That was around a week and a half, so pretty long trade for altcoin season, guys. Luna, we are seeing this momentum kind of build up for Luna, right? Why aren't we at $20 Luna yet? It's just really, in my opinion, their stable coins need to be listed on more exchanges. When that happens, guys, we're going to see a 30, we're going to see a 40, we're going to see a $50 Luna. And by the end of the year, I can guarantee you, we're going to see a $100 Luna before the end of the year. And it's just a slow mover right now. I know a lot of you guys love Luna. You guys understand Luna. I've done a deep dive on Luna. I've explained really their fundamentals and why they are extremely undervalued, guys. And it's just a matter of time with some of these, all right? But especially Luna, when they get these exchange listings for their stable coins, they're just going to keep on increasing in price. And their stable coins are very, very overpowered, guys, compared to others. What happened to Matic today, guys? What happened to Matic today? Well, did we call it or not? Right? Were you guys there for that? Because we absolutely killed it on Matic today. We got around 35%, and we were able to sell some of that off. And now we're consolidating again with Matic, but we're just waiting for the correlation with Ethereum, guys. Look at this. Let me show you. This kind of looks similar, guys, right? Little run up, little consolidation, little run up again. There's just a little day behind a little bit. I mean, Matic just trails behind Ethereum. It's not like we talk about this all the time or anything, right? But yeah, I mean, yes, we really will see Matic push off, especially with Ethereum pushing off. They're extremely undervalued. Matic's something you guys are gonna wanna give your grandkids. You guys are gonna want to give your kids this. Matic is life, guys, to me. All right, I do love Matic, but yet again, we don't have emotions. We're gonna be selling them around $1.20, $1.40, and definitely gonna be keeping around 30% after that happens, though. So why is Matic very bullish, guys? Their TVL is 3x undervalued. I do see them pulling off around a 2 to 3x within the next month. Easily. And they really do have 4 L2 solutions. Okay, they're smashing. They're absolutely smashing these other L2 solutions. We are seeing Sol consolidate, guys. I don't really understand why Sol isn't at $60. I've been looking at them quite a lot today, and I've been thinking to myself, guys, these investors just don't understand Sol. We need more momentum for them to really push up, and I don't see too much momentum here. We did catch Sol at a pretty good discount on the dip, guys, but we have sold off the majority of it already. But I thought we were going to have a breakout to the 60s levels, but this momentum, guys, the past couple of days needs to pick up. We have seen a little momentum break and then pick up again back in April. But if this does not happen within the next, I would say 3 to 4 days, we're going to be canceling that trade. Sometimes you guys got to cancel some trades and take your profits and move them to the thing that looks like it's going to break out. But Sol eventually will break out, and we just need a few resistance levels broken in order for that to happen. We need some more momentum. But yet again, guys, Sol's going to be $60, all right? It's just a matter of time. They're going to be $100 by the end of the year. Especially if we have at least a few more months like we have been. We'll easily see that fairly soon, guys. So sushi, guys, look at sushi. The past days we've had this breakout. We're going into a little consolidation hibernation zone with sushi. It really does look like it's about to break out again, in my opinion. And look how much this is correlating with Ethereum, guys. Look how much this is correlating with Ethereum a little bit. We had the run up, right? We had this first run up here, right? We didn't really have this large bar run up until look how many days after, guys. Look how many days after it took for this large bar run up to hit sushi. We really didn't see that breakout really until a day after some of these breakouts, right? And look we had this large run up with Ethereum, right? I think you guys can see that pretty well, but we haven't had the breakout with sushi that we're looking for. And that's going to happen, in my opinion. We're going to see a $20 sushi, maybe in the next few days. You guys just really need to be using your tools. Because imagine if you guys were just buying off that gut feeling, like 40% of these investors are, and if you guys really put in the time, you guys can seriously change your lives. That's what I'm here to show you. And we're going to be doing this for free. We're going to create a community. We're going to create an awesome place. We're going to be doing an 8-hour gem session hunt. Okay, you guys better get your research ready. I just want 200 of you guys to just come stream with me on Wednesdays and Saturdays, and we'll go gem hunting and find the next trias. So I did find trias, guys. I was one of the early investors in trias, guys. By the way, that was just through connections and networking, guys. You guys got to network. You guys have to have connections as well. Start talking to people, start joining Discords, and start joining Telegrams. You guys, trust me, that's a very good thing for those of you guys that really want to get into crypto. I promise you. You guys don't need to join my Telegram. Actually, my Telegram is extremely toxic, so I need to clean that up. But we'll get that cleaned up, okay? I promise. But yeah, okay. So what we're gonna see with sushi, we're gonna see this breakout. We haven't really had this large bar breakout that we had with Ethereum right on the 8th. And it's gonna happen, guys. It's gonna happen. I really do believe in that. Just because, guys, look at where sushi was at, right? We've gotten to the 23 level. We're at least gonna see a $23 to $20 sushi, guys. It's gonna happen. We did almost hit this sell target on Tron. I really thought we were gonna break out of this the past couple days, but you guys know what? It's gonna happen. We're gonna hit this around this 19 level, 18 level sell, and we're gonna move on from Tron. By the way, so I'm gonna skip over Uni. I'm trying to go through this fast just because what are we at on time? Let's see, 40 minutes already, guys. Time flies. Woo Trade. All right, look at Woo Trade, absolutely smashing it. Let's go on 4 hours, guys. You guys gotta look at 4 hours. You guys gotta look at 1 day. I don't really suggest going over any other ones, just because you guys can learn something from them. But if you guys need to learn the 1 day and the 4 hours first. Maybe we'll go into some shorter ones eventually within the next month or two. I just really want to do this slowly, okay? Just so you guys can really grasp everything, and we're not leaving anyone 10 steps behind, because it's ridiculous, guys. I'm going to be doing more tutorial videos tomorrow also. I've been very busy recently, so we are going to see those tutorial videos. Woo trade, guys, up over, I believe, 3.5x on this one. This was a kind of a longer term hold, but Woo trade, guys, I've been holding them forever, guys. I've been holding them literally forever. And what we're gonna see with them, I've really been looking at them. We need this Ethereum breakout. Once we have this Ethereum breakout and this Bitcoin breakout, we're gonna see Woo probably push 160 in my opinion, and I'm gonna be selling off a lot of my Woo and Woo, guys, Woo. But really want to see it break 160. That's my main target, and I haven't talked about them in quite a while. Am still bullish for everyone that's asking. So, XEM, this one is looking like probably going to see a breakout. But this is long on there. Probably shouldn't. Yeah, I did trade this one a little bit today, guys. But we really need to see something higher than this, to be honest. Sorry I didn't share this with you guys, but there's a few trades that I'm doing when I just pick them up. I just see some indicators throughout the day. This is a $30. I believe I think I'm paying maybe. Okay, you could pay $50, or you guys can pay like, I think it might be $250 a month. But there's one that's like $50 a month, and I believe you can get all these indicators if you guys want these indicators. This is what they are. If you guys want to find them, by the way. Sorry if I haven't told you guys that already. I believe a lot of you guys have asked. Those are the indicators, $50 a month or $250 a month. You guys could spend the $50, actually. We're not even going to... It might be less than that. I believe you guys can do $30 and $10 as well. I just bought another account for this YouTube channel, though. So, I do see this breaking this lower high right here. That's where I see it going. I'm not looking for too much of a gain with this one. It's just a little short-term play. A little short-term play for me. I don't want to go over any leverage trades with you guys. No, not yet. You guys need to learn more. Okay, you guys can go watch. If you guys want to leverage trade, you guys can go watch BitBoy get liquidated. Okay, we're not leverage trading. Okay, not yet. I really want to get these tutorials out before we even mention the word leverage. Okay, I do trade a lot, guys. I trade more than anyone else on YouTube, and I can promise you that. I research more than anyone else on YouTube. I can promise you that. And I want to teach you guys more than anyone on YouTube. I can promise you that. So we're going to build a community, okay? Look at the guy next to you. Tell him we're going to learn together. We're going to learn together, and we're going to make a lot of money together. And we're going to be able to buy 10 Lambos. Kidding. I'm just very caffeined out right now. But we're going to see trias, in my opinion. We saw the volume. Let me full screen on trias real quick. Like I said, look at this pattern that was emerging with trias. Let's go back to trias, guys. Yeah, bullish on the entire market though. We're going to be making some good gains tomorrow if everything pans out. If we don't have that 5% chance of us not panning out, right? 2 bars here. We'll start it from back here, guys. So we saw the 2 bars of volume. We saw the sell off. Bar of volume. We saw the large sell off. Because people got it before. We were still at $9 there, guys. $9. I was up 9x. A lot of you guys were up at least 9x. Some of you guys were up probably like 3 or 4x. A lot of sell-offs, right? When you're up 3 or 4x, you guys are taking profits. We saw this pushing momentum, sell-off. Look how far this push-up was, right? That was another 60% gain. Push-up, sell-off. Push-up, sell-off. Push-up, sell-off, right? This is what you see with these small caps. And you guys are going to see some of these whales sell at some point where you're going to see sell-off. And you guys have your stop losses on some of your trades. You guys can figure out how to set stop losses on sites that don't allow it. Via Reddit, you guys can look up, I'm sure there's something on Reddit. If not, post a question on Reddit. How to buy a bot, blah, 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 to, in order to set a stop loss on a site that's not available. If you guys are willing to put in the time, you could probably figure out how to code it as well. But I had mine coded. Myself. Wait, not 1 minute. Whoops. Okay. I really messed things up. All right, sorry about that, guys. Sorry about that. But like I said, you guys need to figure that out, because what you'll see with these small caps is it'll hit this, like you'll have this 30% dip or this 20% dip. Everyone has their stop loss there. And want to know what happens? These whales, boom, 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 and then you guys will have this like 30 or 40% dip. That's what we saw with True, with a lot of these whales. If you guys have the ability, not even whales, it's just educated investors, like I'll say again, educated investors have this stop loss system set up. So you guys really need to make sure to take advantage of that. That's a really good tip that not a lot of people will recommend or talk about. But stop losses are so important, guys. You guys will never be caught on a 20% dip again. You guys will be forever thankful, forever gratitude to whoever recommends you that sell bot on Reddit. You guys, ask multiple people, by the way. We work together as a community. Anyone in the community, put in the comments where you guys can get that done. I had mine specifically coded, like I said, so I'm not sure. I'll look into it at some point and really recommend you guys one, okay? So, yeah, we're going to see Trias probably consolidate maybe for another 4 hours, and then we're going to see probably another push-up of Trias. That's what the trend is showing. We're probably going to see a sell-off at some point. Just be careful. Guys, get that stop loss, and that's what I'm saying. When these things run up that much, people set their stop losses even lower because they're even more scared. We see this with small caps. I've been doing this for at least I've at least seen this happen or pan out where people keep moving their stop losses higher and higher and higher. These people who have large allocations because they're expecting a 10 to 20% dip, and then we'll have this 40 to 50% dip, and that's a great opportunity to buy, right? Or around the 30% dip. But like I said, that's a great opportunity to buy. It will happen with maybe Trias. I'm not going to say it's going to happen, but we're going to find the next Trias on this channel, guys. Wednesdays and Saturdays. Stay tuned. Nano. We saw Nano break this support level, this $9 to around $9.70. Now we're in this other channel right here, and it is staying in this channel, guys. It is staying in this channel. Let's compare Nano to Ethereum real quick. Let's see what's going on there. Is this not the I hope you guys are learning, okay? I hope you guys are learning. I want you guys to learn, okay? I want you guys to learn. We're really gonna get a hyped up free Discord for you guys. Every single one of you guys that wants to work, that really wants to change their lives, we're making a free Discord. All of you guys are going to be learning from each other. The people who work the most are gonna get the most benefit out of it, and that's how things work in life. You guys don't need to be smart. You guys just need to be able to work the hardest. I mean, if you work 3 times harder than the guy next to you, I promise you, it does not matter if this guy is as smart as whoever. He might be smarter than you, but I'm telling you, you will be more successful. I can promise you that. And if not, you gotta work harder, and that's just how life is. Life, if you guys want to be successful, it sucks. You guys gotta work hard. And you guys can enjoy life as well. I kind of just love to work, so I love looking at graphs. I love getting stuff exactly as predicted. But I'm just weird, guys. 15 hours a day, really. I really do that. But we are going to see. Wait, is this here? We put Nano. Yeah, guys, look how that's correlating with Ethereum a little bit. But Ethereum profits are going into Nano. What? I mean, going into Trias. What? Maybe, guys, maybe. All right, never mind. This graph is. Sorry about that. So not much price action with Nano, but that's to see. I didn't look at Nano before the stream. Not really. I guess it would be a good buy. I do see it breaking out nonetheless. Probably within the next week. A lot of stuff are going to be breaking out with just the entire market push that we're probably going to have next week. Like I said, with the technicals on Bitcoin, this is actual percentage. This is actual data being crunched, guys. Around a 5 to 6% chance of Bitcoin being bullish next week. Around I would say around a 5% run up at least. Okay, just throwing that fact out there. Just throwing that fact out there for you guys. All right, we do see a day after trend again with Chainlink, guys. A day after trends with Chainlink a little bit, right? Yeah, day after. It's pretty cool to see this, right, guys? It's pretty cool to see this. When Ethereum pushes, Chainlink pushes the day after, right? Chainlink pushes the day after. It's pretty cool, guys. Pretty cool. Yeah, you guys can really get in these trades, right? This is what these educated people see. They see the day after trends. They see they correlate the market with exactly where it's going. I love you guys, by the way. Make sure to smash. We have 1,400 people in here. We at least have 4 birthdays. Happy birthday to you 4 people. Who's it's your birthday today? Make sure to smash the like button for these people's birthdays. Make their birthday wish come true. That's the editor's orders, by the way. I don't like to say that, but we got to. So, yeah. I do see this Chainlink breakout happening only if Ethereum's bullish. What is Ethereum looking like right now? Bullish, guys. It's looking bullish. All right, so let's get into some questions, guys. ERSDL, please. ERSDL long-term hold, please. If you hold this long-term, you will be pretty successful. What are we at? 71 cents, guys. Did you APY stake this? Who's staking ERSDL? You guys are gonna be very wealthy just from this long-term hold. You guys gotta understand ERSDL is extremely undervalued. Extremely undervalued. They had that 1000% APY staking event, and this is just there was a little bit of minting going on as well. I'm telling you guys, without a doubt, ERSDL still with all that, it will be $10 to $5 at least by the end of the year. Yeah. That's not a crazy prediction. It did have a little dip, guys. It did have a little dip. So there's a little FUD going around. I think people were just trying to catch some profits other places. Like I said, I was up over 100x on ERSDL. So was a lot of other people. There was a lot of people on crypto Twitter, guys. Crypto Twitter, ERSDL was shilled to a lot of people around 1 cent. Some people held, some people sold off. They took their profits. Just throwing that out there. This one is very, very popular in the crypto Twitter community. If you guys don't have crypto Twitter, there's a lot of stuff that we're going to be going over on crypto Twitter eventually. I'm going to show you guys how to research off of crypto Twitter, how to see the idiots and the apes and the shillers that are shilling these coins just to pump their portfolio on Twitter. We're going to be exposing some people. And we're going to fight them in Dubai, guys. We're going to be fighting a lot of people in Dubai. You guys are all coming. You guys are all invited. We're going to Dubai this summer. All right, so let's look at TrueBit. A lot of questions on TrueBit. We'll go over HDR as well, and we'll go over ETC, and then that's gonna be the end. Okay, that's gonna be the end. TrueBit, it's over $1, guys. It's back, right? Who bought the dip on this one, guys? I did, and want to know why? If I call something out, guys, I'm not gonna really. All right, I called TrueBit out very, very hard. But want to know why? Ocean Protocol CEO, Coinbase co-founder, backing it. It's a Ethereum scalability crypto, guys. We're going to see this absolutely pump off, guys. Absolutely pump off. It's TrueBit, guys. It's true. It's true ETH, all right? True ETH. It's the truth. But yes, it's great to see TrueBit over $1. All right, so HDR. Oh, by the way, VRA is going to be listed on Binance. Soon, okay, guys, soon. HDR. We're seeing the consolidation level. There's a lot of graphs that I got sent through some people that are pretty good at charting. I might have gotten some in the free Discord that we have right now. It's going to be open, guys. Just going to be a couple days, and we'll get you guys in there, guys. The people that want to work, the people that actually want to put in the effort, you guys are going to stay there. And the people that are just going to be leeching off information, not trying to learn, you guys are going to get out, okay? But we are going to see HDR maybe break out. A lot of people are seeing this hard support level. Let me go to HDR graphs just to show you guys this. HDR is going to be a 20x at some point, a 20 to 30 to 40x at some point, guys. Just a matter of waiting. And you know what? If you guys are playing the waiting game, if you're not playing the trading game, throw some money into HDR. Go play golf every Sunday, and you will be okay. Every Sunday. If you don't play golf every Sunday, HDR is going to go down to 2 cents. Kidding. All right. So what we're going to see with HDR is we got to see this support level right here. We're going to see it hold this support. All right, we already had it down, guys, exactly as predicted, right? Not hard to tell these support levels, guys. Look at it, bounced off of here all the way here. We've had this support level literally since March. KuCoin bot whales building the sell wall. Anyone? Going once, going twice, sold, guys. KuCoin bot sell wall is really a thing with HDR right now, but a lot of people think it's going to be broken. I just need to wait and see. But I'm very I guess you could say a little optimistic just because of all the charting that's been done, and maybe we'll be able to break it. But really, what we have to see is this hype and this momentum really hit HDR harder. It's going to be harder. We got to see something like we did in March with HDR, and when that happens, we're definitely going to see some price action with them. Every time we've had green action, guys, we really haven't had this much lower momentum, this bearish momentum with HDR. Every single month, guys, I promise you, by the end of May, HDR will probably be around $2, at least $2, at least $2. And yeah, that's good, right? That's just my guess. That's what all the charts are showing, at least $2. I'm not going to say some of the crazy charts or some of the other charts, just $2. I'll get more into them once we really do reach that level. It's hard to do charts when you guys are pointing out like $5, $6 HDR by the end of this month. It's like these people don't know that, guys. They don't know that. All right. 47 years old today. Happy birthday, man. Hit the like button for Crypto Mojo, guys. It's his birthday. All right. He's 47 today. Great. I'm happy you're here. So I've asked about one before, but didn't know or if you have any ideas about the future. One, extremely undervalued. Transaction fees, right? They're smart contracts. Their transaction fees are extremely low, and their network speed and their overall transaction speed, I guess you could say, is extremely fast. Okay, we saw these smart contracts pump. We caught one going up 40% one day, and you want to know what we're gonna see? We're gonna see one do the same thing that they've kind of been doing. They don't care about hype. Want to know what they're doing right now? They really aren't focusing on marketing, right? They're gonna be slaving away, coding this beautiful system that they're making. They're not forked. They're beautifully written code, in my opinion, and we're really gonna see that pan out within the next year or two. I do see one being a great hold. Harmony is a great hold long term. If you guys are gonna be holding something long term, one is definitely a great thing. It's extremely undervalued just because their marketing is their marketing's terrible, guys. So I'm gonna be ending it there. Oh, we got to go over ETC. What am I seeing with ETC, guys? Sorry, I almost forgot about the ETC boys. Right. A lot of people have been shilling ETC. Everyone is, a lot of people are saying ETC is going to break out. Where's ETC at? Here. So we saw the consolidation, right? We saw the consolidation with ETC. This isn't looking bad, guys. From a far out perspective, you have to understand that this isn't that bad. We saw that spike, guys. We got that spike to around 180 ETC, guys. 180 ETC. We're seeing a healthy retracement, guys. A healthy consolidation, not a retracement, but a healthy correction, I guess you could say, because that is a correction, guys. That's more than, yeah, that's a very, very big correction, but it was healthy with ETC. We're going to be having a breakout, in my opinion, with ETC. We do build a new, let me add some more indicators as well, just so. All right. There we go. So, what are we seeing with ETC right now? We're seeing this new support level that we're seeing right here, and this is a healthy retracement with ETC, guys. This is a little consolidation zone. When Ethereum pumps this next time, we're definitely going to see ETC have some price action, and it's just been consolidating, and I really do see it at least going over 150, guys. At least going over 150. We'll talk when we're there. We just need to see the momentum and the volume really pick up like it did again. I thought we were going to have some momentum and volume the next Ethereum pump. We ended up really not having that too much, but we caught ETC around $20, guys. I told you guys, put 40% of your portfolio in ETC with your ETH. We're holding 50% ETH in our portfolios. We're going to have, let's say that 50% is 100%, right? Put it into 100%. We're going to have 40% ETC, and we're going to have around 60% Ethereum. We ended up really killing it on that. Really killing it on that. I did mine ETC as well. I sold off a lot of ETC, okay? I had a lot of ETC sitting in wallets. Sold a lot of it off. Can you go over Jupiter? We will go over Jupiter at some point. Very undervalued, in my opinion. They need to be releasing more stuff. Jupiter needs more hype, guys. But they're very small cap, around 6 million, I think, right now. Fully diluted, around 20 million. But I will be going over them at some point in the future. Natural vibes, just not really tonight. Actually, I'll go over them. Sorry. Let me just go over them, and this is going to be ETH over 4K now. All right, guys, hit that like button. No, it's not over 4K. So many of you guys are lying. You guys are lying. All right, so Jupiter survived the bear market. They survived the bear market, guys. We are seeing 2 million volume on them with 6 million market cap. What's happening with them? How long have we been seeing this volume? I did call out, I believe. When did I call out Jupiter? I called out Jupiter at some point. They didn't really get the price action I was really was looking for. I thought they were going to have a little bit more of a run up there. There's a Twitter thread, and I got a little bit bullish on that. I did know them before that. You can't just get bullish on a Twitter thread, guys. You guys got to do your own research. But I did, obviously, and it did check out. But Twitter thread's very good. I'm pretty sure if you look Jupe, you guys can find a good one. Do your own research as well. That's what I'm going to say about Jupiter, okay? I'm not going to say anymore just because it is at 6 million. I do own some. And small bag, small allocation, guys. All right, let's go check, guys. Let's go check. Oh, I think we got to watch the chart until it hits 4K to get that instant release of dopamine. The instant hit of dopamine in our brains when we hit that 4K, okay? When we hit that 4K. You've been through me since 2K subs. Great job. Just started with $800 and now you're at 6K. All right, we're going to turn that 6K by the end of this year, okay? We're going to turn that 6K into 60K. All right? By the end of next year, we're going to turn that 60K into around, I would say, what should we turn that into? Around 600K, all right? And then the next year, we're going to turn that into probably around a couple million, all right? Set some goals up. Set some goals up, Lucas. Lucas. All right, what were we looking at? Yeah, Ethereum. No, I'm seriously, guys. If you guys have the right strategy, you can be doing this. Stop losses, motivation. Do this every day. Think about your future. Think about wait, Ethereum. Guys, I can never find Ethereum. Is it all the way down here? Yeah, it is. Jeez. All right, let's get this instant release of dopamine. All right, we're on the 1 second graphs, guys. No, let me turn. That's very, very stupid of me. Sorry, guys. Do 5 minute. All right, you guys are gonna see it here first. Will it hit 4K? Let's see this happen. We're $12 away. Once this hits 4K, guys, everything's going up 500%. Kidding. All right. Hope you guys are having a great day. Let me respond. Zero. I'm still bullish on zero. How are we gonna go to Dubai? What do you mean? We're gonna walk there over the ocean. No, we gotta take planes. I'm just messing with you. We're gonna go over these small caps. Oh, XVG. I do like XVG. We have traded them before, but I'm gonna tell you right now, they have a lot of room for potential, and they did have a breakout today. I didn't look at their charts too much. I didn't do a really deep dive on their charts. I wish I did. Yes, bullish on zero. XRP. We're going to see a breakout soon with XRP. But they've just been consolidating really because of the lawyers. Everyone's like, oh, XRP man. So let me tell you about XRP. We have this lawyer issue, guys. Everyone's full send into it. We're gonna put it to $2 when XRP really should have been around $1.20, $1.30 when that happened. They went up 50% more than they really should have, guys. They really should have. All right, come on. Everyone better be yelling at your screen, trying to get it. This is a football game that we're watching right now, and we are in an American football game, guys. An American football game, and we are just gonna yell at our screen like the average middle-aged man does. All right, come on. Xcur, not the biggest fan of these NFT platforms that are that small. They need more resources. All right, come on. Everyone get some hype in the chat. Get some likes, okay? 1,400 people are liking this. We need 4K likes for ETH. All right, we saw a little retracement, guys. All right, once this hits, I'm just going to end this stream instantly, all right? And you guys are going to be very, very... Nah, I'm kidding. I won't. We'll go over a couple more things. Cardi Chain. All right, we're gonna go to Cardi Chain. All right, ETH, you better not hit 4K, okay? You guys better not bait me into looking at ETH while I'm going over Cardi Chain. Why isn't Cardi... I believe Cardi Chain's in my... Okay, that doesn't work. I don't know why this doesn't work, but this computer is so messed up, guys. It's so weird getting used to a new computer. Where's Cardi Chain, guys? Where's Cardi Chain? There it is. Alright, what are we saying with Cardi Chain? I don't know if you guys bought this little dip that they had, alright? But not that big of a dip because we're on 5 minutes. Kidding. Alright. So what we see with Cardi Chain, we do have a little bit of a buy in from all the way back around 10 cents. We did hit our sell target right here, and I do expect to break out. We did put this second one up here. I do see a little retracement once we hit this, guys. We hit this one perfectly, guys. Look at this, perfectly, right? That was around a... What do we make on that? Hey, that's a 50% trade, guys. Woo, that's a 50% trade right there. What was that? I don't know. All right, we've been getting a lot of good trades, guys. 50% is nothing. Okay, 50% is something. But what are we going to see? Okay, we need to see this higher high, right? This is already broken. We need to see this higher high broken. It's already kind of broken. It didn't stay above it. This is the next support. Okay, this is the next support. Then we have this higher high right here. And so we need to see it break above those two. And then once it does, I really do see it breaking through this 15 support that we had from last time. And then when it breaks through that 15 support, we're going to see it hit around 18 cents. All right, we're going to go to ETH. What's ETH doing? So very bullish in Cardi Chain. Hit 4K on Binance. Oh, True's at 109. Yep. Did I miss it? Did I miss the party, guys? Did I miss the party? The fact is it hit 4K as soon as I changed the screen. Are you serious, guys? No, I don't. I need to see it, guys. I need the dopamine. Come on, come on. Kidding. I never stare at charts like this, but you know we're doing this on stream right when it hits 4K, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the stream. Okay, just before I end it. Okay, come on, come on. All right. Any moment now. Any moment now. Hope you guys had a great Sunday, guys. Happy Mother's Day to any mothers out there. Really make sure to take care of your kids. Call your kids if you guys haven't. Call your mom if you guys have a good relationship. And if you guys have a lost parent, right? Very, very, just think of the good memories you had with them. It's a great day, guys, to reminisce on good memories that you've had, right? I know some of you guys, I know all of you guys in this chat have some good memories. If you don't, well, think about the good memories about the trades. Think about the memories that we've had during these streams. Think about the trias memory that you guys have from recently. That's a good memory, and you guys are going to want more of those, right? It hit 4K on Voyager. Voyager's not even a DEX, man. That's a boomer DEX. That doesn't count. All right, this is kind of getting ridiculous, guys. We all have stuff to do, okay? And I know you guys might want to watch this with me, but you know what? Sometimes you guys gotta really get productive on them. And all right, we're gonna wait. I'm sorry, I'm not gonna end it before. It's kind of angering me right now. All right, push. We're gonna go on the. Why are we on the 4 hour? All right, here we go. Oh, 4K, 4K, 4K. Come on, man. We're at 399.999. No way. I swear to God, if it stops right there, I'm literally... Come on. Alright, guys. Hope you enjoyed the stream. Alright? I hope you got that extra rush of dopamine right there. Make sure to really, really check out all the stuff I went over in this video. I really try to teach you guys. Woo, guys. Okay, have a great, blessed day. I'm going to get you guys ready for tomorrow. I'm going to do a stream 12 hours from now. Exactly 12 hours from now, I will be doing a stream. So it will be 12 hours and 17 minutes actually from now. So make sure you guys have a great day. Smash that like button, okay? Just like ETH just smashed 4K right now. We're going to build a community, guys. We're going to build a community. You guys are all going to be a part of it. And we're going to be doing some really, really important things. We're going to be all making gains. We're going to be all learning, helping you guys learn some more. And when you guys learn some more, it's going to benefit every single person in this community. The more you guys work hard, the more we're going to be able to find these gems. The more we're going to be able to understand trades. Completely free community, okay? You guys pay with work, okay? And these leeches, guys, these leeches that just don't work too much, you guys are probably still going to make gains. You guys are just probably going to be holding long-term more. But yeah, I mean, just hold long-term. I will talk about stuff to hold long-term. Obviously, I do make some videos about long terms. If I make videos, I will do short term gains in them, but I will talk about stuff that's mainly long term. If we're talking about short term, probably going to be on stream, by the way. So that's the end of the video. All right, smash that like button.